ngiyaphesheya bakhona abalazi ibhanoyi kakhulu umuntu yasebhala business class. Excuse me, ma'am, that's my seat. That's your racist, not to knock down. Young guys, but the style of status living Gatina, I do not get you when I tell the rock as I uyakwazi ke bathinani-ke nibeni bazile mina ngangikhalela ukubona ngangithi wow what a good job they have wena basemoyeni nje babebhampa kanjena nje ungathi ugqoke iqofu ukuthi uyoseva amanzi namaseminji America. If family when there's an au pair, for those who don't know, au pair is a sexy word for kadinga. We're going to have a look sexy. We're going to do a tina, uba jodi, no ad. If you get a job, it's swinging. Young hours, Nama went to tap Pamban. Hamba la makhaza ngishayela ijazi la cheese indlela idum ngayo ama-Americans ifamily angangiya kuyona ngayifitha isime e-airport nehlobo zayo nomakhelwane begqoke izinto zengwe yonke into nje enesilwane phakathi so that I can feel like I'm at home. But we didn't want it to be too short. It's a no, but I'm figuring out Kumbi Jenga with my black American in DC. If me if I have been double go by Nilana, go Ben Baba Aquala, but you go by the Mapuna, but as a Babagan Puji. Go that in a set double. Okay, this is a chair. It's not gonna hurt you. You're gonna have to sit on it. You know, I know it's difficult from having sat on the floor your whole life. Abaz, you guys think this is a joke? It's not Abaz. And Baz putting a better Africa because their TV only shows them. Lengane Bugani Nemka. Uzoyibuza uthayibo. Labantu baze bathumela ama-celebrity ukuthi azoshutha iy'ngane ezathi bayazi ukuthi sikhuluphelele e-Afrika. Uma befuna ukwenza ama-advert ngabantu abazathi bakhona nje Victoria Beckham. And mangifika khona I felt bad ukuthi Nkosi yami labantu angazi ngayitshela ukuthi kunjani e-Africa. Futhi mengithi Africa it's because ubona e-Africa is a city. But wow, I also have a friend from Africa, you might know him. He's from Ghana. what's his name? Can't remember his name. Do you have any tall man in your village? But in them ngabo, if uzosebenzisa umqondo, you can make money.